Hello and good morning. Welcome to day 5 of my garden vlog. I'm trying to open my balcony door so I can go out and step out into the balcony. It's heavy. Oh my gosh, I always forget how hot it is. It's like 9 AM or just gone past 9. I've been awake since like 6:30. I wake up early. We're about to go into the pool and have a morning swim. The pool guys are currently cleaning the pool. I don't know if you can see them, but they're like over there, like down there, cleaning the pool and taking out all the leaves and whatever. Wow, my lens is like fogging up because of how humid it is out here. Today, my main priority is my hair. Like, I need to get my hair done. Anyways, I'm waffling. This is meant to be intro. Day 5 in Ghana vlog. Oh, I love it here. I love it. I think we've got another like 8 days. Yeah, this is day 5. Yeah, 8 more days in Ghana. I can't believe it's only 8 more days. I think 5 of those days were at camp. And then back in Accra next Saturday. And then Sunday we've got church. And then my flight is on Sunday evening. I still get 8 days, but I'm really sad. But yeah, long intro. Not gonna take the camera with me to the pool because there's no point. See you guys, or you guys will see me later on in the vlog. But we found Christ, what are we gonna do? Come into your house. Well, why are you not singing the same song I'm singing?
We are singing the same thing.
How?
We will serve you.
Now that we found Christ, what are we gonna do? With it. We're going to eat. Swimming was so fun. I obviously didn't record it, but I told them we're going to swim.
I learned something at school.
Yeah, you did well. You did well. You went in the deep end. That's it.
This girl tricked me. She said, hold my hand. And I did. I didn't let go.
No, I didn't let go. We held the hands.
So but I ended up, why was my hand under the water?
This is for you.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm coming. Oh wait, no, you're not coming back.
No, we're not coming back.
Why am I feeling sprinkled?
Yeah, I know. I thought that as well. My arm. It needs to not rain because.
It needs to not rain.
Oh wait, no, it's raining.
Ooh. It needs to not rain.
It needs to not rain because what we're going to do if it rains?
Yeah.
Go to the cinema.
Yeah, exactly.
But yeah, going to eat finally. This eating business has been poor. Haven't eaten as much as I wanted to eat. Oh no, where's the Uber? Is it here?
But Gilda has also not eaten anything.
Yeah, Trina. No, yeah, Trina hasn't eaten.
No, I said, what? I don't want to look.
With a mosquito. I need to spray my mosquito repellent because Mersey is starting to rain.
It says 6 weeks.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, please.
Oh,
She got a hot dog from UK food.
You don't want that egg.
I don't want egg.
You don't want it?
No.
You're crazy.
I don't want egg.
It even adds to the something.
Why do Ghanaians put egg in everything?
I receive it.
Somebody explain to me why Ghanaians put egg in everything. Rice, stew, and egg.
Yeah, of course.
Toast, everything egg. Egg.
Stew with egg. Mercy.
I don't understand it. Like, I don't understand it. But anyways, let me fire up this food. It's really pretty, isn't it? Amen. Oh, there's meat and I just wanna it's sweet. Is it nice?
Is it nice?
Let me eat. I actually look a hot mess. My face is shiny. Wow. Anyways, we're approaching Lavadi Beach. I haven't picked up my camera in a long time. Little walk. We went to oh wow. We went to the market to eat. Obviously, they went to the markets, and it was just the most stressful experience I've had in the market. And obviously now, I saw some of my friends from First Love London, and now we're at the beach.
Look at the waves, please. I can never be out there.
I would love to be on the better day, but yeah, I should have to be. Hopefully, we're gonna go horse riding, and then. I need to. Wow, I just look a mess.
This is basically our last day in Accra.
Hey, sickly.
We're going to the.
Yeah, tomorrow we've got church all day, innit?
And then we have next Saturday we're going to be here.
Yeah, we're going to go to Cape Coast. Yeah, I would rather go Cape Coast though.
Yeah. Look at the palm trees.
Anyways, yeah. show you guys as much as I can as I drive.
Lines and every other things are fall into place. Yeah. Ever since the day.
Yeah? This is so cool. Mercy, that horse was going so fast. Wait, go for a swim. Mercy, delete that. I can't believe it. So anyways, we just rode the horses on the beach, but now I'm looking at them, they look so sad.
Yeah. Well, apparently that's how they look.
I know, they were falling asleep. So sad. It's really like gone past midnight. I don't remember the last time I picked up my camera. I think it was at the market. Was it the market or was it at the beach? I don't know. I really don't know. But I know that I didn't film as much today as I did like on other days, because I just felt like just bare stress, like just so many stressful things happened today. But I did get my hair done, but I've wrapped up now because I need to sleep. We've got church tomorrow, and church is like all day. There's 3 services. I'm going to all 3. The first one starts at 7 AM I think. I've got like 2 hours to sleep, wake up, get ready. I just want to sleep. Obviously I just came in here to close this video. I might, depending on how much footage I've got from today, just join day 5 and day 6 close together, because I know tomorrow is church and I'm gonna be churching the whole day, so I don't mind if bring my camera. I don't know how much I'm gonna film tomorrow. Yeah, so if I didn't film much, then I'll just put it all in one video, and if I do film a lot tomorrow, which I highly doubt, because I think anything I'll probably film will be like maybe some illustrations, and I'll probably film that on my phone and just include some of the footage for my own sake. I want to have a like memory of my first time at the First Love Centre. I'm so excited. Yes, I'm excited to go to church. Should be fantastic. I know it's gonna be fantastic. The administration is going to be fantastic. The preaching is going to be fantastic. Everything's going to be fantastic. So that's the plan for tomorrow. That's about it. As for now, good night, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. If not in a whole another video, then another clip. Good morning, everybody. It's obviously Sunday. It's like going 9 AM. I don't want to talk about it, but I was obviously supposed to be at church at 8 AM for the first service. And as I was getting ready this morning, my makeup was just doing the most. It was just terrible, like one thing after another, so I had to take it all off and started doing it all over again, and this was like 7:45. So I just decided, you know what, yeah, I'm gonna scrap the first service because it finishes at 9:30 as well, and then just go to the gathering service and then revival this evening. But yeah, all ready for church. I like my hair, but I wish this was longer. Like, it's not as long. I don't know if you guys can see. It's not as long as I wanted it or would like. I can fix that. I can make it longer. Like, I probably want to go home, like in London. But yeah, I'm ready. Me and China are still asleep. Anyways, like, I don't even know. Like, I don't know how. Like, I'm literally about to call my Uber and then make my way to church, and in time for the second service, because I don't even know what time the second service starts, but I know that there's going to be like loads of people from First Love London and this First Love like Aston that I would know there. So if I go by myself, it's not an issue for me because I'll meet people there. My arm's hurting me, man. My arm's hurting me. Let me go and sort my life out and get out of here, make my way to church. I'm so excited. I'm gonna say bye to these sleepy girls. I just don't know how people sleep like this long. I don't get it. This is what Ghanaian money looks like. Cedis. Yeah, this is 50 cedi. This is, how much is that? This is 5 cedi. I'll have a 1 cedi in there somewhere. Actually, this is a 1 cedi coin as well. But anyways, guys, I will see you guys when I see you guys, or you guys will see me when. Yeah.
Up to today, you're the best that ever happened to me. So when I dance, I feel you inside me. And when I cry, you move mountains for me. Thank you for love. When all the cross you love, when all the cross you made, the world let you down.
I'ma paint you a picture, I hope you get it though. I came through with the kind of sound that goes across the globe. I've been choosing to go across, I'm